Hi everyone, this is Christy from Kristis Creative Life. I just wanted to get on here and share with you one of my newest journals that I just finished not too long ago. Just wanted to share it with you guys. It is 6.5 by 10 inches long. It is 2 signatures big and about 120 pages. Full, chocked full, as you can tell, of lots of things to write on, cards, tags, you name it, it's probably in here. And I wanted to share it with you guys. The printables in these are the Vintage Birds printable by Pixie Dust Files. I also used some of the words from Pink Monarch Prints, and I also used the Inspirational Bird printable by Raindrop Lila. And I will put those down in the description below so you guys could get to them easily if you really like them. And without further ado, we'll get into it. I'll show you the front, side, and the back. I have it's a semi-hard cover. It's covered in fabric and then lace. A lot of the fabric and lace that I have is older vintage style. And so we'll get into it. The binding in this is that puts the signatures inside the journal is elastic, so you can remove your signatures for easier writing on if you want to, and then you can just slip them right back in and it closes very simply. So then the front of the journal is covered with fabric. It's all sewn in, and then has a couple journaling tags in there. Here is one of the printables by Raindrop Lila that I just love. They kind of look like Polaroids, kind of just reminds me back when I was a kid. This has a little tuck in it with a tag in it. Here is the first signature, and there's a little tuck spot for some bird tags, and we'll open it up. And right here is a little spot to put papers. And then we have a tuck spot with some journaling paper in it. And we will need to find something to put under here. I'll put my paper punch under there to hold it up. I have another journaling card in this tuck spot. This is made from an old an old index card that I had got a whole bunch of them at a estate sale one time. Here's some paper. Another one of those printables by Raindrop Lila. I just love these. The Lord satisfies my soul, Psalms 103. Such a great reminder. I did use coffee dyed paper in these, and I did stamp on some of them. Here is a tag that I put on some music paper. There. Inside here is a little tuck with a bird postcard. Thought those were super fun and cute to put in here. There is more music paper, and this is a page out of an Autobahn book that I had gotten at a estate sale as well. A lot of the things that I get are from estate sales or yard sales. I thought this was perfect because then you had a spot on the back for journaling. And then we have some graph paper with a little fabric hiding place, and then another handmade tag out of a card. And then we have some avocado dyed paper that I had stamped on. Here's some more paper in this little tuck spot here. And a belly band with this card. This is a wood thrush. On the front is the picture of the bird, and then in the inside is the description of the bird, and then on the back you can journal on it any way you want. And then I have another journaling paper. We have a pocket here. Another one of the bird with the description on it. Thought those were fun to put in here. I found these in another book that I had gotten about birds. This is a little booklet that you can write in. You can write little prayers in here. You could put memory verses, all kinds of things that you could put in here. And I'll tuck it in here where it's put away. Got some more avocado dyed paper. Then I have this card that I just made out of one of the printables. Had another tag on it. That was super fun. Then we have this pocket envelope that I made out of some sheet music paper. And this is an old sheet music or music writing papers that I got at an estate sale. Lots of estate sale items that I find. Just love going to them. They're so fun. Some coffee dyed avocado or coffee dyed graph paper. We have a card that I had gotten, and on the other side I put a little pocket with a tag in it. Can't have birds without bird houses, so I made a little birdhouse, made a little door on it so you could open it up and journal on it. This is the center of the first signature. Then there is space to journal, and we have little tuck pockets along with some journaling tags on both sides. It closes. Another tuck spot, some more coffee dyed paper. A lot of this lace that I have is vintage lace. Some of it's newer, some of it's older. And here is a paint strip that I had gotten and tucked in some of these cute little cards. There's the other side of that paper. Here's a little tuck spot with a collaged index card. There's the other side of that bird description. And then we put in a little scrappy pad in here. You could write on it. You could tear some of it out, put it to decorate more of your journal. And here is one of my large cards, tags that I had made. Love that. Little tuck spot. Just to put some little things. More avocado dyed paper for journaling. And then here on this belly band is a little postcard, another scrappy pad that I had made. So fun. A lot of journaling space, just a lot of different pieces on there. A lot of them came from the cuts of some of the papers that I had cut up to put in here. There's a window with this card. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all, by Emily Dickinson. I love that one. And some more coffee dyed paper. That's the other side of that one. Here is, behind this vellum pocket, is a large tag, or a large journaling card. Did a lot of sewing in this one as well. That's the end of the first signature. So there is a space in here to put another signature if you want. It was just so, I just couldn't stop putting stuff in these, so it got a little big, so I just stopped at 2. But if you want, you could put a little something in here, add it to it, however you want to do it. This is the front of the second signature. And then inside there is another journaling card. And we have this flip out, more journaling space, and then I love this lace. This was one of my favorites. I have a hard time putting it in my books because it's just so beautiful. We have some journaling paper in this pocket. And flip out, another flip out. This is from an old book, art book that I had gotten, and I just thought this went perfect with the bird theme. Here's another tag. What if I fall? Oh, my darling, what if you fly? I just love that. That one's just a good quote. Then we have another flip out. Made this from an old, it wasn't old, I found a box of old CD case covers. Made a card to go in it. Then we have a tuck spot. Lots and lots of space in here to journal. Lots and lots of space to write things. We have this one. This is old wallpaper. Got this. Made a journaling space with all the eggs. Thought that was pretty fitting. Had to put the feathers in there because, you know. Another more journaling space and stamping. A little pocket. We have this one. And we have some more paper. Coffee dyed paper. This old doily. I just put it on a piece of paper and made a pocket out of it, and then put this pretty pink tag in there. And on the other side, another one of those bird descriptions. I just thought those were unique, and you know, bird lovers, people would love that. Another tuck spot, pocket, with a few things in it. And we have this coin envelope that I had, and I just decorated, collaged it, and then put another pocket off the side. Here is the middle of the last signature. I couldn't put anything on this because I just thought this printable was just so cute, so beautiful. So I left it open. And we have, behind this envelope, we have another card. And you open it up, and there's some writing paper inside. This does tuck in here. We have an old junk mail envelope that I decorated. Put another tag in there. We have a pocket with some more writing space. This is an old playing card. I just put some bird things on it. Another card. One of my favorites, verses Psalm 91:4. He will cover you with his feathers. He will shelter you with his wings. His faithful promises are your armor and protection. Just another great reminder of who he is, who the Lord is. Here's another card. Some more journaling, writing paper. I have a whole pad of these, and I love putting them in people's journals. They're just so pretty. And then more writing space. We have some pockets. And just love these. The bird theme is just the funnest. It was so fun. Another large bird tag. And more avocado dyed paper. This is one of my favorites too. This birdhouse opens up, lots of writing space, lots of places to write again. I just keep continuing to say, here's one of my favorites as well. So it just slides in here. And there's this. This is some writing paper. I have another card inside this. And then that's the end of the last signature. Here is another pocket back here with another one of these, the Lord sustains me pocket. And that is it. Well, if you liked this video, feel free to hit like and share with others. And I thank you guys for coming.